In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dependencies on Asana quickly and easily. Whether you're a seasoned project manager or just getting started with this amazing tool, understanding how to set task dependencies is vital for streamlining workflows and managing projects efficiently. First, we'll begin by navigating to the Asana website. Simply open up your preferred web browser and type in www.asana.com. Now look towards the top right corner of the home page to find the Login button. Click on it to access your dashboard. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll see options like Get Started or Try for free. But since we're focused on adding dependencies today, we'll assume you already have an account set up. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll want to open the project that contains the tasks you're managing. This is a crucial step because it ensures you're working with the correct set of tasks. Now, with your project open, it's time to locate the specific task you want to mark as dependent. Click on the task, bringing up its details pane. In this task details pane, you'll notice a variety of options designed to help you add more context to your work. Our focus today, though, is on the Add Dependency feature. Look closely at the right side details panel of your open task. Here you'll find the Add Dependency option waiting for you. Click on it when you're ready. Now when you click this option, a search bar will appear. Use this to type the name of the task that needs to be completed first before your current task can be tackled. This feature allows you to specify which preceding tasks are pivotal to the progress of your current task. So choose wisely and think carefully about task order. After you've begun typing the task name, you'll notice a drop-down list appearing. This list provides suggestions based on the tasks you have within your project. Simply scroll through, find the task you need to set as a prerequisite, and select it. The final step is to confirm your selection. Once you've chosen your task from the drop-down menu, you're done. You've successfully set a dependency in Asana. This ensures that your project flows smoothly, with tasks following logically from one to another according to their dependencies. And that's it, you're all set on how to add dependencies in Asana in just a few straightforward steps. Remember, effectively using this feature will help streamline your project management processes, making sure everyone on your team knows what's dependent on what. Manage your tasks with confidence, knowing you're equipped with the skills to keep complex projects on track.